Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and it is held on 15th February morning session. Look at the diagram, and the diagram is going to be looks like a delta diagram, and given the conditions, that is currents and resistor values are given, where R is equal to 1 ohm, I1 is equal to 2 amperes, I4 minus 1 ampere, I5 minus 4 amperes. Then which of the following is correct? There are 4 options. You must find out what is the correct answer. So first of all, we will indicate the currents. I1, where it is given I1 is nothing but this one. I1 is 2 amperes. The direction is same as it is we are going with, so this is 2 amperes. Next, I4 minus 1 ampere. I4 is nothing but minus 1 ampere. Next, I5 is this one. I5 is equal to minus 4 amperes. This is what the currents given. So then which of the following is going to be correct? So can we able to write other currents? This red color is nothing but these are the given currents with R value as 1 ohm. Okay, don't bother about R value for this problem. So next we are going to write I2. Can we write I2? I2 is equal to, with the help of KCL, you can write it as I2 is equal to sum of I1 plus I4, because with the help of arrow directions you can say it as I2 is sum of I1 and I4. Whenever you are adding I1 plus I4, at that time minus 1 plus 2, so I2 will be equal to plus 1 ampere. And now we know I2 value we know, and I5 value we know. And with the help of given arrows, I2 and I5 are going to be summed up, and it is going into the I3. That is, if you apply KCL across this point, I3 is equal to I2 plus I5. So minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is nothing but here you will get it as minus 3 amperes. So I3 we know, and I1 also we know. I6. If you are going to take KCL over here, at that time I6 is equal to, you can write it as incoming currents are positive, outgoing currents are negative. So I6 is equal to, I6 plus I3 is equal to I1. So I6 is equal to I1 minus I3. I6 is equal to I1 minus I3, which is nothing but 2 minus of minus 3, which is 5 amperes. So I6 is equal to 5 amperes, I3 is minus 3 amperes. So out of that one, A, I6 is equal to 5 amperes. This is the right answer. Okay, the correct answer for this question is nothing but first one, A. A is the right answer. And B, I3 is minus 4 amperes, but I3 is actually minus 3 amperes, so B cannot be answer. And given data insufficient to tell these currents are not possible, but data is going to be possible. Data is sufficient to make all the currents, so C is also not the right answer. Data is not insufficient, non-insufficient to find I2, I3, I6. It is sufficient, so C, D are going to be wrong answers. Correct answer is nothing but A. The value of I6 is equal to 5 amperes. Thank you.